everyone, I'm Pamela Lumubao, the CEO of Bags and Beyond, Unpainted Native Bags. And we're here at Crown Plaza, Ortigas. And I was one of the invited by the WIGO na mag-attend dito sa MSME Expo 2026. Bags and Beyond started last 2020. And we are a social enterprise. Yung mga product po namin, including this one, is a native bags. I do hand paint them, but now wala akong dala ng hand paint. May mga beneficiary tayo, which is the solo parents, the PWD, the out of school youth, and then the women abandoned by their husbands na tinutulungan ko sila na you don't have to, we don't hate men actually, but hindi mo pwedeng habulin yung or hindi mo hahabulin yung mga asawa at lalaki kahit inuno ko kayo just for the sustento. So I help them, my community. I invite them to attend my livelihood program. I teach them how to live, how to save, how to make their own product and stand by their own. So babae tayo, tumulong tayo sa kapababae natin. Ayan. So aside from that, meron tayong mga bazaars. We go attend the bazaars. May mga workshop din ako. And aside from that, I am also a fashion designer. We also held our fashion shows. Here in Crown Plaza, meron din po kami dito. Meron din po kami ng MICE. Meron po kami sa ibang mga malls. So, guys, if you like to view some of my creations and some of my events, just follow the page of Bags and Beyond My Fam or Facebook account ko, which is Pamela Lumubao, for local product. And also I'm using this opportunity to thank one of my friend Cherry na nagbigay sa akin ito. So I'm using it now. Gawa ko ito ng Cordillera Peglet. Yeah, so ayan, let's support local product. Let's support local artisans kasi Pilipino tayo. Mas maganda magsusupport na tayo. So, Pilipino.